Hi, I'm Yaswanth. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I want to talk about how to become a YouTuber in 2023. Being a content creator is something which is being widely chosen by many of the students and many of the people as their career option. There are many reasons out there. The first thing, creator economy is growing in such a way that we didn't expect that it would grow in such a rapid way. So before talking about how to become a YouTuber, why to become a YouTuber? Of course, content creation and creator economy are growing in a very rapid way. And one of the famous content creation platforms is YouTube, because whenever we want to learn something, the first thing that we go is YouTube and search for the topic and watch videos. And that is the reason why YouTube content is getting popular. So if you want to become a YouTuber, this is the best time. So for people who are willing to start their journey as a YouTuber, then this video is for you. So in this video, I will give everything that you need in order to become a YouTuber. It might be related to how to shoot videos, how to edit videos, and how to earn through YouTube and different things. I will talk about everything in this video. The first thing that you need to know as a YouTuber in order to start a YouTube channel is selecting a niche. Yes, selecting a niche is important, like what content that you are willing to make. So let's take an example. Like I concentrate on career development, so my targeted age group is 18 to 30. So I always give suggestions and tips on how to have a good career, different career opportunities available, different ways to build multiple income stream, personal finance tip, everything that an 18 to 30-year-old will love to hear, will love to know. So this is my niche. And if your niche is something else, like if you're interested in gaming, then that is your niche. You need to start a gaming channel. But it doesn't work in the opposite way. Just because someone else is successful with cooking YouTube channel, you cannot start that without knowing the skills. So yeah, whatever you're good at, you can start in YouTube channel. So that is an important. If you are good with selecting a niche, your niche is finalized, then you need to think of name and logo. So if you want to put something catchy title, then ultimately you need to have a logo according to that. But if you just want to keep your channel, keep your name as channel name, then your name is enough. If you can see my channel name, I'm just using my name. So that's the reason why I'm just putting my picture as logo. I'm not using anything else. So these are the two prerequisites to start a YouTube channel. You know what content you want to make, you know the channel name and logo. Now let's get into what are the steps involved in creating a YouTube video. The first thing, content research. Of course, like if you want to make any video, I need to do a research, right? So research can be of anything. If I scroll through the social media, I will find many topics, many things which people were facing problems on. So if I make videos on them, like I am able to solve some people's problems, then ultimately my video will be watched. Similarly, if I receive any comments on my YouTube videos, then ultimately I get to know that yeah, people were looking on these topics, so then like I can make videos on them. So there are various ways to research content. Yeah, these are few possible ways, and you can also research on, you can read blogs, you can read news, so that you will get to know different things about your niche. Like if you are a finance concentrator, you need to follow different finance topics so that you can get to know good content and latest content. So that you can make video on. So this is the first step. If you are good at content research, you will get to know what are the things that you are willing to make videos on. Once after you finalized what are the video or what is the video that you want to make, then the other thing is scripting. Scripting is not in the sense you need to write down everything that you are willing to speak in the video. It's not that way. At least like if I want to talk about these things in this video, I need to at least write down in a paper that, oh, these are all the things that I want to speak in this video. This is called high level scripting. Like, oh, I need to cover this part, I need to cover how to shoot videos, I need to cover how to earn money through videos. So these are all the topics that I want to cover in this video. So I need to write down somewhere. So that is called scripting part. And next part is video shooting. So now you know what you want to speak, you know what all the content pieces that you want to cover. Next thing is you need to shoot videos. So video part, like you don't need to have a DSLR in the beginning itself. Like if you want to start your journey as a YouTuber, you can still do that in the mobile. So in the initial days, like I shoot YouTube videos with my mobile itself. I don't use any DSLR or other equipment. But yeah, later once you start growing, you might need to enhance your quality, then you can opt for DSLR and other stuff. So all the equipment I use, like I mentioned in the description to all the links, like you can find them out. The video part is ready, then like you use a camera or phone and you shoot. And you also need to take care of audio, because audio is more important than video. Even though it's fine to use your mobile phone for video, but make sure you use at least external mics for audio purpose. You can also find cheap mics, but I use Blue 80. Earlier I used to use just a small mics, but now I want to enhance the video quality, so that's the reason why I'm using Blue Yeti. So yeah, you can combine audio and video at once, or you can record them separately, it's your wish. Now the other part is video editing. Your video is done, so your video is there, but you cannot upload that directly, right? Because you might need to cut down some unnecessary information, or some in the middle, like you might lose something, like you want to talk about something and you forgot suddenly. So you will record everything in a raw fashion, so you need to cut that, you need to add graphics, you need to add background music, you need to add everything out there so that it looks attractive. So that is called video editing. For video editing, there were free apps too. In Windows, there are apps like OpenShot, you can edit for free. If you want to add premium features, there are softwares like Adobe Premiere Pro for Windows, and for MacBook there is a software called Final Cut Pro. So if you're just making short videos and real videos, you can also use many apps in your mobile. There are free apps like VN Video Editor. You can also edit videos in Canva sometimes, and there is an app called InShot. There are many possibilities out there to edit videos for free. And other thing is creating a thumbnail. Of course, we often scroll through YouTube and we'll only click videos with good thumbnails, right? We cannot just see random YouTube videos without any thumbnail. So having a thumbnail is also important. So you can design using multiple free softwares. Again, like I mostly design thumbnails in Canva, Adobe Photoshop, or Adobe Express. So mostly, like if you don't want to use paid softwares, you can design many thumbnails in Canva itself. There are many templates and you can do it for free. Another thing is title and meta information. So what title you want to put. So, and this can be achieved by making multiple videos. It's not that for the first video only, like you need to research a lot about titles and all. You can just put the titles in your mind in the initial days, but as long as you keep creating content, you'll get to know that thing, like, oh, this title is not working, so I need to change the title and all. And description and keywords, so it is also same. So search for your topic in YouTube, you will find many results, right? So those are all the people are searching on YouTube. So you need to add them as keywords so that you can get more people to watch your video. And the other thing is marketing. So once you upload the video in your YouTube channel, it doesn't mean like it is I mean you're done, because you need to promote your video in the initial days, otherwise no one will watch it, right? So promote it in your WhatsApp groups, WhatsApp status, Instagram, LinkedIn, everywhere, and promote it to the right audience so that you will get good number of people who watches your YouTube videos. Like it's not like you cannot promote cooking videos or other stuff to students sometimes. So you need to select the right target audience to promote your video videos, because in the initial days marketing is very important. You need to market yourself in your network. No one will do it for you. And the last step is optimizing. So you have uploaded your video, you have marketed all over the social media handles, but you will see that like you're not getting views. It might be because of bad thumbnail or bad title. You can alter that later. You can alter anytime, so that like you will get to know, look, this title is not working, so let's change it. This thumbnail is not working, let's change it. So you need to optimize your YouTube videos even after you upload and you promote into your network. So these are all the steps involved in creating a YouTube video, and I have also added links in the description for all the equipment and softwares to need. The other question that most of the people have is like how to earn from YouTube videos. So you talk about how to create a video and other stuff, but like what's the future of being a YouTuber? How to earn money? This is the important part. There are 3 ways to earn as a YouTuber. The first thing is monetization. Once you achieve the landmark of 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours, then ultimately you will be eligible for YouTube monetization. So you can place YouTube ads in the video and you can make money with that. So for that, yeah, you need to achieve 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours in the last 365 days. So 4000 watch hours is not really difficult and not really easy as well. You need to make many videos to achieve that landmark. Once you achieve that, ads will be played in your YouTube video so that you can earn money. And the other way that you can earn is by brand collaborations. If you're doing well in your YouTube, many brands will reach out to you to promote their product or promote their services. If you do that, you will earn some money. And this is a major way that many of the YouTubers make money. And the third step is selling any product. So if you write a book or if you have an online course, like you can sell them, like you can promote them in your YouTube videos in the beginning or end, so that people can purchase your product, so that you can have some sales. And this is a third way to earn money. So these are all the 3 popular ways to earn as a YouTuber. And yeah, brand collaboration is something which is in the top because it gives you more than all other 2. I want to talk about 2 qualities that every YouTuber need in order to become successful in the long run. Like, you know how to earn money, you know how to create a YouTube video, but if you lack in these 2 qualities, then ultimately you cannot grow as a YouTuber. The first thing is consistency. It's not that you upload 10 videos in a single day and you take rest for 1 or 2 months and you will never see that again. It's not how it works. Even though it's 1 video per week or 1 video per 2 weeks, do that consistently. Upload 1 video every week. So it is what consistency is, and YouTube love consistency. So make sure you are consistent and you never lose hope. Just because you upload 10 videos, it doesn't mean you will become popular. No, it is not how YouTube works. And the second thing is quantity over quality. So in the beginning days, more than quality, you need to have quantity, which means like you need to upload many videos to understand how YouTube works and also to get familiar with YouTube. So like it's not that, again, like I already said, like if you upload 5 to 6 videos and you're thinking that I'm not growing, I'm not earning. No, it will not work in such way. There were many people who upload 200 to 300 videos to start seeing success. So if you can see, like for the first 100 and for the first 150 videos of mine, like I hardly earned 1 rupee. I keep doing videos, and yeah, in the end, like you will see success, because YouTube likes consistency. YouTube likes people who upload videos regularly. So make sure you focus on quantity in the initial days. Once you upload at least 30 to 40 videos, then you can focus on quality, buying a good cam and good mic, etc. But yeah, in the initial days, make sure you upload many videos without looking at numbers. Yeah, these are all the things that you need to grow as a YouTuber. I hope this video will really help you if you want to start a YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video and if you want someone else to benefit from it, please share this video in network. Also, if you're a new visitor to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.